So what's up, guys? Today we have another Nissan Cube. This one is a 2011. We're gonna be removing the climate controls. This one right here, because in this case this thing is not working or it's stuck or something. So I'm gonna show you how to remove this. Pretty easy. There's only like few bolts. First of all, we have to remove the ones like if you look right here. It's like one over here, one on this side. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. After that, you just pull this bezel. You just pull it up like towards your way, and then you're gonna see some more bolts. All right. Okay, I got the two bolts out right here, both two screws. And now you only have to pull this one a little bit. You can try to use a screwdriver. It seems like someone already did it. I don't know why. But you only have to pull it because there's only like 4 clips. That's it. Just like that. Right here. The clips goes right here. There's like 3 over here, like 1 on each side. And then to pull this one, we need to remove this 4 screws right here. There's 2, and there's 2 more over here. Okay, let's take this off, and then we go from there. Okay, I remove the screws, and then after that you can use just move it a little bit. And then you will see, it seems like someone tried to fix it before. You can see the zip tie right there. See, that one is not supposed to be there. It was stuck because due to the zip ties, I'm guessing the wire is not moving. Well, that's in this case, but if you need to replace this one, just because it's bad, it's not working or something, or maybe you got the digital one, basically it's the same thing. You remove the screws down there and then remove this ones over here, and the whole thing will come out. After that, if you need to remove it, you only have to pull these 2 plugs, pull the wire from here, and then this clip right here, you only push this clip to one of the sides, and the whole wire line will pop out. Then you got 1 more over here, but you can wiggle that one a little bit after you remove this one first. And then let me fix this up, and then I'm gonna show you how to put it back together. All right. Okay, so I got my 4 screws back in place. I put the bezel. I already fixed this. So it's more, this one is working. It was stuck. Now it's working. This one too. This one too. This one I have to wait a little bit because I had to put some glue to fix that zip tie that they put back there. Then we have to put this one back in, and in this case I got this little wire switch. I don't know why they put it over there, but it's not my business. I'm gonna just leave it right there like it was. And then this was right here. Just like that. And then I have to use this. Okay. We got 1 more. Okay. Just make sure you push it a little bit to make sure the clips are out of the way in, and we're good to go. All right, guys. Well, any questions, just let me know. Subscribe, comment, share the video if you want. I'm gonna give you another video about Nissan Cube, about how to install in one of these radios, because I think the owner of this one wants to remove this one and replace it with another one with Bluetooth, because this one they only have to I have to use them the cable right here, so they want to replace it for the Bluetooth one. So I'm gonna show you a video of that too. Make sure you subscribe so you can see it. Alright guys, thank you so much and have a nice day.